You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Welcome to my review of Fidelity's cryptocurrency investment platform. This established platform, backed by Fidelity's decades of financial services experience, empowers investors to buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you already utilize Fidelity for traditional investments, their crypto offering provides a smooth transition, whether you're a seasoned investor or just beginning your journey. A key strength of Fidelity Crypto lies in its trusted reputation. With a long history in traditional finance, Fidelity has built a solid foundation for secure digital asset management. The platform facilitates buying, selling, and holding Bitcoin and Ethereum, and seamlessly integrates with Fidelity's wider investment services. If you're already a Fidelity customer, adding crypto to your portfolio is incredibly straightforward. Fidelity Crypto shines with its competitive fee structure. They offer zero-fee trading on certain transactions, making it an attractive choice for both active traders and those new to cryptocurrency. Furthermore, the platform prioritizes security with advanced measures, including cold storage for assets, safeguarding your investments against potential hacks. Another significant advantage is the platform's user-friendly interface, designed for both novice and experienced traders. Placing orders and monitoring your investments is simple and intuitive, eliminating a steep learning curve. Fidelity also provides educational resources to help you learn more about cryptocurrency investment strategies. It's worth noting, however, that Fidelity's crypto offerings are currently focused on Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you're seeking a wider selection of altcoins, this platform might not fully meet your needs. In summary, Fidelity Crypto presents a robust platform for anyone interested in investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum. It offers a reliable, secure, and easy-to-use interface, combined with competitive fees and the backing of a well-established financial institution. It's an excellent option for both existing Fidelity customers and those looking to enter the world of cryptocurrency. Check the description for links to get started with Fidelity's crypto platform today.